Hello guys, welcome back to my next vlog. Today I'm going to show you Opera House. Probably the first place to visit of everyone who ever come to the Sydney. It was also my first place when I come to the Sydney. So don't forget to watch the video until the end. We're gonna have fun. Let's go! Just get up from the train. Tap off with your card. Today is the public holiday of Easter, so it's very busy. Oh, it's interesting, you can see here. What is this? What they are doing? What they are doing?
I don't know, mate.
Are they from India? Maybe they are from India.
Australian, Aboriginal.
Huh? I don't know. Let's go. You're gonna scared. Today there is no cruise ship.
Huh?
There is no cruise ship, the big one.
No. Was here, I think, 2 days before?
2 days before?
Yeah.
It's come every month.
I don't know, mate. Go and ask.
Yeah, last time also see after a long time. But it's an international ship, yeah. It's come from the New Zealand, I think.
And do the jet boarding.
Huh? Oh wow. You can book here the jet boarding. After a long time I see so much crowd like this in the afternoon.
It's the Easter holiday, that's
Yeah,
why.
it's gonna more in the night maybe.
I think so.
All these restaurants are full, already full right now. So if I can show you from here, this is the Darling Harbour Beach, the house, and from here it's a very nice view of all the skyscraper of Sydney. What is this way for? Do you know?
How about the bars?
Ah, for the food court and everything. Everything is downstairs.
You hungry, mate?
진정성이 없구나 나랑.
People can see it and watch the concert. The weather is sunny, but it's really windy. It's a kind of shaking a little bit. small wooden bridge. So fit inside the pillar so it can't move further.